Have you ever been so tired that your brain literally stops working? Like you're physically awake, but mentally the lights are on and nobody's home? That was me this past weekend. My best mom friend and I had this massive garage sale. By the time it wrapped up, we were so done that we just shoved everything left over into the garage, slammed the door, and walked away. Now, I'm an extrovert. I love people. And I actually had a party to go to that night that I was super excited about. I knew it would energize me, but I had exactly 1 hour before I needed to get ready. And you guys, I was a total zombie. Between the normal school year chaos and days of prepping for the sale, I had given absolutely everything I had. I was running on less than zero. So I'm sitting there totally zoned out, and my husband, who was out of town, texts me to check in, and I just lost it. I texted him back this massive wall of text. I was like, I don't even know what to do right now. I feel like I need a shower or a nap, but I also have to organize the garage so we can park the cars. There are storms coming. But wait, the laundry is covering the entire bed, and if I don't put it away, I won't be able to sleep tonight. What do I do? Looking back, the answer seems so obvious, right? But in that moment, I was so deep in that overwhelmed fog that I couldn't think my way out of a paper bag. Thank goodness I texted him because he gave me exactly what I needed, an objective perspective. He told me, stop, do not look at the garage sale stuff. The cars can stay outside until tomorrow. And that laundry, just move it to a chair. You don't have to fold it right now. He told me to just focus on what I needed to refresh. Since I had that crazy but wired feeling and couldn't nap, I took a shower. And honestly, it was the absolutely right call. It washed away the zombie feelings and got me ready for the great night out. This is exactly why I wanted to start a new series all about that overwhelmed feeling, because we all get there. And here's the trap. When we get that overwhelmed, we usually do one of two things. We either completely shut down and do nothing, or we spin our wheels doing unproductive stuff that doesn't actually help us. So here is tip number 1. For when you are in those trenches of burnout, call in an outside brain. Step 1, reach out to someone you love, someone you trust, a spouse, a parent, a good friend. Step 2, tell them everything that's swirling around in your head. Step 3, let them be the objective voice to tell you what actually matters right now and what can wait. When you're burnt out, you can't see the big picture. You don't need a 10-step plan. You just need someone to help you figure out the very next useful step. So next time you feel the zombie zone creeping in, don't try to fix it alone. Lean on your people. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is your go-to unproductive habit when you get overwhelmed? For me, it's staring at a pile of laundry for 20 minutes. Let's talk about it, and I'll see you in the next video for part 2.